Well, okay. So you got yourself an avocado. You got to prepare a great dish for your guests within the next 24 hours. But the avocado is not ripe right now. So here are 2 hacks to help you prepare that avocado for your guests for the next day. Get yourself a paper bag. Get your avocado and get yourself a banana. Place the banana and the avocado inside of that bag. Fold the bag over a few times. Make sure it's sealed. And the banana is going to release an ethylene gas that will help ripen that avocado. If you don't have a banana, get yourself an apple. Place the apple in the bag with the avocado. Same procedure, fold it over, and that's going to work. Now, if you don't have an apple or a banana, get yourself some uncooked white rice. Place the avocado into a bowl. Cover it up completely with white rice that is not cooked. And that will also allow your avocado to ripen. This hack is going to help you be prepared for that dish for your company that's coming the next day. So here's another video.